big old gator last week.
Alligator.
That is an alligator.
I'm going to the water because I want to.
Okay, good luck paying for it.
Alligator. Raw.
Gotta have a little bit more oomph. You're like, ugh! Sorry, my acting is a little off. A little shock.
Look, it's a cuddle puddle of alligators.
Those are caiman.
I like grab one by the neck.
Bro, she's holding a snake and a dinosaur?
You want to hold a snake and a dinosaur?
No.
You guys want to hold it here?
I do not.
$10 if you guys do ever want to come back and you're open till 5.
Bro, nope, absolutely not. No, I'm afraid of alligators.
Then what the fuck are you
and snakes. And all of them. The cappies.
Oh, okay, fair.
I'm here for the cappies.
Fair, okay. I
Are you afraid of that one?
Probably.
Right there?
Yeah, I don't like birds.
Birds are cool though.
They're cool, but they poop on me.
They only
like
poop
it
on
when they
you
do
if you're
that.
underneath them.
Yeah, well, guess what I like to do?
Be underneath birds?
Yeah.
So this is us at Gatorland, where we're talking about how Jen's afraid of every animal known to man except for capybaras.
Oh, you can't be afraid of
record
cappies.
audio down and then
I guess. I don't know.
I guess they're going that way.
they're going that way because they got the children's.
The alligator.
These are alligators.
They're all alligators.
No,
What,
I
is
think
that
the
not?
I think the ones we were looking at back there were caiman.
What are you guys looking at?
Alligators?
In here.
These are certainly alligators.
Everything in here is an alligator.
I don't think so. I think the ones we were looking at back there.
No,
were
honey,
caiman.
those are birds.
No, those are alligators.
This is a zip line where you go over the gators, right?
Yeah, it's that one right there.
Ah.
Goes over that, and then there's another big area that's reading.
Yeah. There's a whole shop. We're missing.
I guess the first show, if you want to do that.
I mean, I like shows. We're here.
10:45.
Yeah, might as well. What time is it?
10:30, I think.
Yeah, 10:25. 20 minutes.
Elliot, don't knock on the glass.
Herb.
And then it'll put you by the page around 11.
Yeah. So there's a show in about 20 minutes we can go do.
There's a lot of things we can do in like 20 minutes.
Look at those little dudes. Just count to 60 20 times.
I'm going down this path.
I'm going down this path. Alright, cool.
You do you, bud.
But it doesn't start for 15 minutes.
20.
20.
We'll go see it though.
There's a bobcat over here.
It's a bobcat?
Little cat. I think when they make the gator jerky, they take the blood that they pull out.
I don't think they make it here.
No, they definitely make the gator jerky here at Gatorland. We're gonna find out where they do it. A marital argument was won by a husband. On this exact spot of the afternoon of April 27, 1968, a husband paid dearly for a short-lived victory. Disclaimer: if you don't get these signs, then you've obviously never been married.
Have you been married?
No comment.
The Gator restaurant. Oh, they got craft beer?
Ooh.
You like craft beer, Elliot?
No, I don't know what that is.
He doesn't know what craft beer is.
I like that idea.
I assume it'll all open
Do we get to
at
see
some
next 2
point.
hours?
Yeah,
Do we get to see gators guzzling beer?
maybe.
Kind of crazy.
That would be fun. Alright, you want to play? Put the dollar in. And then we'll see if it'll take our money.
Which one are you going for, Elliot?
I'm not telling you.
What? Why not?
It's because I'm not good at claw machines.
Oh, okay.
Well, you got a couple seconds, bud. You gotta hurry up.
Did I get it?
Oh, it's going deep.
Okay, I got it. See, I told you I'm terrible at claw
Hey,
machines.
you
That's
try.
all right. See if it gives you one more attempt.
I think it's just the one. Oh.
Here, go for that gray stuffed animal there, the little...
No, I'm only gonna do something close. What is that? Is that SpongeBob?
Looks like a SpongeBob.
What if I get something else? Okay.
Close.
How many chances did it give me?
I think
looks
just
like
two. It
only
looks
gave
like
you
you're
the
out.
two, So you're done now.
Oh, there's one right here.
This one's chilling.
The one right beneath your feet.
I'll stay there. Okay, now Mary, I get it. You're very nervous, and that's perfectly understandable. I don't have anything. Come here, Mary. Circle. Hey, Mary. Mary. You ruined the show. All right, fine. We'll send this bald guy. Come on down, man. Don't call him a bald guy. Come on down, man. Blame Mary. She said it to me behind your back. Yeah. Mary was literally saying, I'm so happy I stole all of his hair. It makes me look so much prettier than he is. You can stand in the circle of safety. Now, sir, what's your name? Rich, that's Rich. That's good to hear. Now, Rich,
He already saw it.
sure, I'm very pathetic. Put up your right hand.
He already saw it, man.
Oh, wait, he already saw it. You're right, Rich. You want to try to hold this thing?
There you go. You can hold this one. Awesome.
Rich, a round of applause, guys! Absolutely nothing to be scared of. This guy's an absolute champion. No, you're not going to die, Rich. I'll tell you about this in a second. Now, let's get him a round of applause!
Kids. Stop cheating. Get closer to you. Scoot towards that guy. And man, scoot towards that guy. Awesome. Use your thumbs, guys. They're disposable. They fall off, they grow back. Anybody know what they're holding? It is a boa. Listen, this with the head and teeth, don't squeeze the part that potentially bite you.
Giovanni, don't squeeze this end of my sport.
Ew. Now guys, you're right, it is the red-tailed boa constrictor. This is one of the largest snake species in the world. They get like 10 to 13 foot fully grown. Constrictor, that means that snake right there. Ain't no got venom. How can you tell that snake don't got venom? They're holding it. Yeah, we're not putting a venomous snake in people's hands, guys. It's cool as
Love goats.
Over here. Feeding them. Bro is asking for it.
You're that hungry, bud? You're such a bully. Here, you can have...
You made a big mess.
You're making a mess.
I'm making a mess.
Dag.
I believe that was this guy here.
Bro.
No, that one
So
was me.
impatient.
You hungry, buddy?
How about the cute little dudes?
Give the little some time.
His tongue is so slippery.
Or do you?
You guys want to feed him?
Okay, yeah.
Well, so take one out of the cone.
out.
Yeah, you gotta take one out, bud.
Oh, boo.
You want some?
Throw it?
Now
Can I
feed the
throw
goat.
it?
You can throw it. Here you go, buddy.
Okay.
There you go. You gotta hand it to him.
No, I'm throwing it.
He's like, feed me, please.
No, he's asking for it.
Oh, Jordan.
Gonna do it again?
Want to do one more time by it? Last time?
Oh.
Tongue out.
No, he.
You got a black tongue. Here,
Go ahead,
pick one.
feed him.
Look, he's asking for it. Please. Please. No, they don't like eating.
I don't want to get my hand licked.
You don't want to get your hand licked?
Yeah. And it's good so they can
Pet the
bite
goat.
Watch out, buddy.
you.
I don't. Can I give him the cone? Or am I supposed to hold the cone? Can you have an ice cream cone, sir? I don't know if you're allowed to eat the cone.
Okay,
I mean, he's telling me I think he's allowed to, but I
Did you
don't.
feed them your cone? Then feed them the cone.
All right, bud. You want it? Do you want a cone? Here you go. You can have a cone. You can have it. You dropped it though. Here, you want some cone? You can have some cone too, bud. There you go. There you
You're
go.
such a good boy.
The people what you did.
Such a good goat. Hey, buddy.
People what you did.
Tell you to feed the birds.
Yeah, he got a couple sticks for birds.
Make sure that back door closes behind you.
Oh, I got a couple minutes.
Burb. Where's all the burb? Zach, take it. There's a bird on me. Oh.
You didn't like the birdie?
No.
Xander, you want to take it?
You gotta pick it up, bud. Oh, you just got birds galore. Or you got all the birds.
You got birds, Xander.
My phone's in my pocket, unfortunately.
That guy flew right over my head.
Hi!
I got a bunch.
I got one on my head!
I just have one casually. I don't even have a stick. You just thought I'm a good bird.
Hi!
I'll send you photos later.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got birds on you. Here's your phone.
You got birds on you too.
Hey, buddy.
Honey, do a spin.
I got all these birds on me. You two want to kiss? Guys, you're dropping a bunch on my hand. Oh, hello.
Make sure to get those last minute pictures and videos. We have 1 minute left. Get those last minute pictures and videos before we close. The next one will open up at 12 o'clock.
Hi.
Are you sure?
Ah.
You don't like the birds, honey?
No, they
so
scare me.
They're fighting each other too.
Yeah.
Guys, I got a bunch of seeds on my hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at my hands, guys.
Covered in birds.
That's the actual piece. Hi. Hi.
then as soon as this is done, the jump route.
Audience, are you ready? Alrighty, set them on a 3, guys. 1, 2, 3, set them on out there. Make some noise, guys. Jump, jump, go. The louder you get, the higher they jump. You got a swarm of alligators that are on Bubba's side. Who's frenzy on his side? Who's gonna get that first piece down? Bunch of great jumps, but a lot of misses. Jump, yo, go, folks! Hey, Cooter, it might work better if you shake it for him. Try shaking it, Cooter. Shake. You need to shake. No, Cooter, no! Apparently it'll work, but I meant shake the chicken, Cooter. Oh. All right, Team Cooter's in the lead. We got the first piece down. Let's see if Bubba can catch up. It's neck and neck now, folks. Whoever gets the next piece out is going to ring the bell and get the first point of the competition. Come on, guys. Yell, jump, yell, go!
Jump!
Bubba's got a whole bunch of alligators on his side. I'm going to focus over here on Bubba's side for just a little bit. I want to see at least one of these alligators get a jump. Come on, Team Bubba. You got to get loud! We're going to mess over on Bubba's side. Oh, looks like Team Cooter got that first point. Nicely done. Make some noise, Team Cooter. So, this is no longer a race. It's about who gets the highest jumps. So, Bubba, Cooter, are you ready? Audience, are you ready?
Yeah!
Alrighty, set them on 3, guys. 1, 2, 3, set them on out there. Yell, jump, yell, go, guys.
Jump!
We want these alligators flying in the water. They need your energy. Looks like Bubba is already headed on down to the end of the dock. And Cooter's not too far behind. He's just got one more target jump left. Come on, guys. You gotta make some noise. Yell, jump, yell, go.
Jump, jump,
This is the most dangerous part of the competition. They are risking their fingers for you.
Come on!
To the end of the dock as well. Come on, Team Cooter. You went silent. Where you at?
Come on, jump!
There you go, keep up that noise. Team Bubba, do not let Team Cooter get louder than you.
Jump!
Yeah! Nicely done. Looks like they are both headed on down to their last pieces, folks. Alrighty, guys, you gotta get loud. You gotta give it your all. Yell, jump, yell, go, yell, mayonnaise, yell, juicy for all I care. Wait, are you done? Oh, I didn't see that jump. I was happy with the audience, but Bubba still has a chance to take this. So Team Bubba, make some noise.
Oh, jump, jump, jump!
Jump! Come on, guys, yell, jump, yell!
Jump!
Just scream for all I care. I know how you like to scream. Come on, guys, don't let that noise die down. This ain't a library, folks.
Jump, 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 jump! Ah! Jump! Yeah!
Oh, it got dumped. Oh, it's a turtle.
It's a tortoise.
Honey, look at him.
Not a turtle.
He's so cute.
He is very cool.
Look at him. What a dude.
He looks like he wants a beer.
He wants that lettuce.
Look at that big old turtle. Can't eat. Ow. 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 Ow.
A baby gator marsh. Oh, you're so little.
He's so little.
There is a turtle.
He's a little albino guy in there. There's a few albino guys in there.
You come here. Oh, yeah, sorry. Go ahead. No, you're good.
I don't think it has. That's not a baby. That's a big boy.
Look at all. Yeah, he's a big boy. But then all the other little dudes will bite.
He's a big boy without a top.
Look at that.
There's someone here.
Oh, I didn't even notice he was the one without the top.
Porque no se la ponen.
Do you see he didn't have his top mouth, huh? The alligator, the big boy over there, didn't have a top mouth. Yeah, I didn't notice it at first, but yeah, he's definitely missing it. Yeah. It's a snack.
There's a whole lot of danger noodle.
There's
in here.
another snack.
So many danger.
Snack. Snack.
So many danger noodle. Danger noodle. Likely just, you know, in low power.
Oh, look at the little babies. Hey, little baby dudes. They're so tiny.
The gator without a top jaw.
Violet, there's nothing in there. Having bees in my food. Yeah, they put her in the baby one.
I don't like outside.
You don't like outside?
I hate outside.
Yeah? They're brother and sister. Oh, look at them cuddling. Taking a little knee out.
Sleepy kitties.
Oh!
Hey, he's a monitor lizard.
Oh! Okay.
His mouth is filled with razor sharp finger removers.
Well,
Is that what they were made for?
Yeah. That's what the sign says. The sign wouldn't lie to me.
Snacky num num.
Turtle! Zach, look. Turtle.
That's a big rock.
That is a moving rock.
You like these games?
You never fun, right?
I like that it's the breed in marsh. Or the breed.
Yeah.
I don't see anything going on right now.
Because there's people watching. Alligators.
Yeah, look at all those logs over.
You like the alligators?
Yeah, I like the alligators. They're good looking logs. Living logs.
That they are. Swam. Yeah. Except there's alligators here.
We should go.
Look, he's riding them.
I like nature watch.
It'll be much more peaceful without the child.
Yeah, this time around it will be.
It was pretty peaceful with just Zach and me.
Yeah.
Just kind of dumb.
It was pretty nice.
Oh yeah. Look, there's two more.
That log is moving.
That it is. And that's a fast moving log.
Dun-dun. Dun-dun. Dun-dun,
I don't see any
dun-dun,
sharks in the
dun-dun,
pool,
dun-dun,
Zach.
dun-dun. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, I just see logs. This looks pretty good to jump into.
Jolly's not here.
You're doing something.
I don't know if I'll stop to watch him. He's like, I don't know. Oh, he got fish.
Mmm, tasty, tasty fish.
He ate his fish.
The alligator's like, what you got there, bud? What you got? Do I need to take a sample of it?
Distantly.
Oh, it's on no matter what, so.
Can view distantly.
It's a bird. It's a plane. Well, it's on, so you don't actually have to take orders for it.
Look, so you got what? Chicken tendies and some fries.
No, that's fried gator bite.
That's gator?
That's fried gator.
That actually makes a lot more sense. You got gator, you got
Loaded mac and cheese.
mac and cheese.
Or, sorry, french fries.
There you go. And then I got a chicky Sammy.
Potatoes.
No, but it looks fun. So, I'd like like to go sometime. Is that what is that sauce? Spicy?
This is gator sauce. It's not spicy.
No?
Why not? The gators don't like spice. I thought the gators couldn't taste capsaicin.
No, no.
It's not for me.
But the gator sauce or the gator
The
bite?
both.
It's just more oily chicken.
Yeah. Okay.
Like how the tarantulas taste like chicken.
No. You said they tasted like something else.
Scrambled eggs.
Everything tastes like chicken. Get it right.
Alright, so
Why
what'd
am
you
I
get?
holding this mayonnaise again?
The barbecue pulled pork chips.
And then more gator bites?
Yep.
I couldn't open it.
You're gonna record us eating.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll turn it off in a minute.
Do you enjoy coleslaw?
It depends. That looks like mashed potatoes more than coleslaw.
It kinda does.
It is.
I wasn't expecting my chicken sandwich to just be 2 chicken tenders on a bun.
I like Jam Hot's coleslaw because I can really taste it.
How are your nachos?
The gator sauce is definitely just my
Yes, they're
2007.
real. Okay.
Pungent aroma.
Oh,
He's just chilling.
he's
Give him
such
a cuddle.
cutie.
$1.
He
Yeah,
would maul my
like
face
he's
off,
adorable.
and it'd be great, and I would enjoy it.
I would enjoy every second of it. It'd be so cute. I'm taking a nap.
Got their head sucked up. They were like, well, it's done with fucking people.
You're taking a nap.
You two are cute. Yeah. Adorable. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Yeah. Yeah, you are. Adorable. Cute bird. What's going on, buddy?
Hello, bud.
Hey, bud. You're gonna hit me by the fence.
Escaping Cappy. Hi, bud.
Hey, buddy. He's just chilly, calmly walking.
Vibing.
Yeah, they honestly do.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, he's got the food.
This one? You do feel like a coconut.
Hey, Mullen. Oh, that's
Definitely chill.
See, Jen, you're just holding a pickle pre-vinegarization.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, very coarse hair.
Yeah, different than I thought you were gonna feel, bud.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels like a coconut.
You do feel like a coconut.
I feel like I've had softer coconuts.
Yes.
You drop it.
Now pick it up.
There you go, buddy. There you go. Yeah. Or is it just... I'll bet you at least.
Yeah, 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. So cute.
You dropped it.
Ain't it?
Here. It's like a big He looks so huggable.
You can hug him probably.
No, that's not a good idea.
No, you can pet him though. Hey, bud.
Where's your...
Oh, you're stickier.
Smelling me?
You're a little stickier than the other one.
No.
I got nothing. I'm sorry, little guy. I'll let you at least sniff.
Oh, look at the one over there.
First sniffs.
Oh yeah, there's a Cappy all the way over there, vibing in the water.
He just...
You guys have any more leftover food? Now is the time to give it to them.
Want to do another photo?
One of those is kept on my foot.
Chillest things ever. They're so good. They're Joe.
They're so cute. Of the teeth, they're so neat.
You run into a lot of lights.
Hi. Wanna get a selfie? Oh,
You guys just want to squat down? I didn't know the happy. I didn't.
There you go. Get yourself in your photo. They're good. Go ahead.
Ready? Pick up your big smiles.
Thank you guys.
Hey!
All right, folks, it's time to say bye to our capybaras.